Hi guys, so I told you I was going to show you the gravesite, so here it is. It's marked by a big rock. It's out here in kind of in our little field beside our yard. So it's where the little guys lay to rest. So it's extremely loud because the road is right by, but now we're going to collect a feather of his to keep so the little guy can be remembered. And I have no idea what that is from. Metal. There's an ant pile under your feet, just letting you know. Right to your left. It's going to be all over your feet. It's not good. So, in there is the spot where I guess he was initially attacked. There's just feathers all over. It's really scary. These are his feathers. They're brown, or they're black with brown and white on them. So, I'm gonna clean them and I don't know. I'll turn them into something to remember him from. Ow. This is a lot of cover under here, so just trying to get back through it. This area is actually where we had found him. Okay. Right in here. And maybe this was the safest spot away from the animal. I don't know. But I'm gonna clean these off with soap and things. And made it out and avoided all snakes. Lots of feathers. Alright, so I'm going to clean the feathers now. And I got 5 feathers. So I don't know, I guess. See, the feather earrings that you had seen me wearing in the past was, see, we had once thought that Zigzag had gotten captured by a hawk, and his feathers were right over here in this location, and I picked up whatever feathers there were, and so I made them into something that I could wear. So I might do that with these or something. These were his beginning feathers for his tail. And, so there was his grave, and here's his feathers. So, alrighty, guys. Here's the feathers. They're all cleaned up. I have to let them dry. Some good news. My mom had said that she saw Zigzag, the 3 hens, and the young rooster. And, so they're okay. So that's good. And no, I have not put up a Nature News reporting video yet. I will. Soon. So, maybe I'll show you guys Zigzag and the others when they come back around. And I'll see you later with a Nature News reporting video. But if you have chickens, just be careful of stray dogs, because stray dogs can be pretty vicious if they've been out on their own a long time. They get kind of crazed. I know I used to have a cat. He had passed away a few years ago. More than a few years ago. But he was out here in the yard once, and 2 wild dogs had come up, and we're gonna try to get him. And it's pretty scary, but he jumped up into an old peach tree. It's just like nothing there now, and my dad scared him off with a staple gun. But yeah, that's something I'm a little bit afraid of, is, you know, a wild dog coming after Finn when we have him out. But we have several walking sticks and other things we can defend ourselves if some wild dog tries to get Finny Boy. But at least the other chickens are safe. So I didn't get to see them today because I didn't really go outside early enough. But they're safe, and that's good. So yeah, I think maybe I'll write something on the little stone that's out there with a Sharpie or something. And the little chicken can rest in peace. But I'll see you guys later. And you can see a nature news video for sure. I'm not joking this time. And be happier day tomorrow, since I know that the other chickens are fine. Okay, so I'm gonna see you guys later with the nature news, and tomorrow with the vlog, most likely. Okay, bye.